you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll continue to post these videos. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Nissan Rogue freshwater flood damaged vehicle. We're actually in the process of rebuilding this vehicle right now. I just want to show you where we're at. So we did a full inspection of the vehicle, checked the electrical systems, checked the depth of the vehicle, checking the wire harness and all the communications of the electrical system with the scanners. So as you can see, no condensation in the lights. There's no corrosion anywhere under the hood. Upon inspection, the vehicle did take some water in the interior, and we actually removed the carpets. We sanitized them. We're in the process of drying them right now. We cleaned them thoroughly. Take a look inside. So, the body is very clean. The Platinum Edition is the fully loaded model. So the carpets were damp in the vehicle. We removed everything. We went through the wiring harness. Made sure there's no corrosion, no rust. As you can see, it's very clean. There's no corrosion anywhere. Look at the harness. So right now, you can see there's power. The vehicle does start, it does drive. The water level was very low. Very, very low. The carpets were a little damp. That's about it. But you can see there's no rust anywhere. So right now we have the interior part. And when we're done, we're going to reassemble it. And I'll post an update video of it when it's complete. We have a lot of experience rebuilding these flood vehicles. Our team here knows exactly what to do from start to finish. We've put thousands of them back on the road over the years with no incident, no one returning the vehicle saying that there were issues afterwards. You can check our feedback on eBay. It's 100% positive. All right, it'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.